What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time, but I'm back. So the car's moved around a lot in the last little bit. It was at my old shop. We moved. I had to move the car out. So then I had to bring it back home. And yeah, during that time, I picked up a parts car, went pretty far, like 17 hours to pick it up, brought that down, stripped that apart, recorded some videos on it, but I wasn't really happy with the quality, so I didn't really post them. I might post some snippets here and there just to, you know, fill some stuff, but it's time to work on the car. I want to have it done for the spring. The car's currently sitting in this state, basically the exact same as it was when I had it before. There's a box of goodies right there, some of the parts from the parts car. I got another nice box of goodies right there going on this thing, but I want to get it done and actually enjoy it this spring and summer and take to shows and meets and stuff and maybe meet new people and all that fun stuff. I have a gas tank that I have to do in it, rear suspension still for the 5-lug swap that I haven't done yet, and just a bunch of other little stuff. But I think for starters, we need to wash the car. So right as we started washing or cleaning up the car, my sister and her family came over for dinner. So I basically had them help me push the car back in the garage and then spent the evening with them. So not a whole lot got done today, but we'll pick it back up tomorrow where we left off. I want to get the rear end jacked up, get the fuel tank out because I have a new one, and start ripping out this rear suspension for the 5-lug. What's up, guys? We're back. It's been a few days, a couple changes, but we're back in the garage. Got real busy over the last few days with Valentine's Day and just being busy at work and home and stuff, so I haven't had a chance to get back in here, but it's Sunday, time to work on the car. I want to get the back end jacked up, get the fuel tank out, start pulling on the suspension, getting that all taken out so I can get it all cleaned up, put back in with the 5-lug. If you hear noises in the background, there's kids outside playing. Can't do anything about that, but all right, let's get the car jacked up and we'll go from there. All right, car's all jacked up on stands. Let's get under here and take a look. Okay, so there's a gas tank. So in order to get the gas tank out, there's a bolt there, 10 mil, and then there's bolts up there. There's a 10 mil and then 15 mil for the straps, which also there's one right there, but I should be able to bend the strap down far enough to the point where I can just slide it by. Then we also have to pull the fuel pump out, which this is just lying in there. Undo the filler neck, and I know there's a vent somewhere around here that also has to come out. Get these lines off. That's the feed, I believe. That's the return. It's already unplugged. This gas smells rank. Gross. Oh yeah, it's all like gross. Let that leak out. Okay. Let that drain for a minute. There's a lot of gas in there. So the reason I even have to change this tank out is because when I was trying to get the old fuel pump out that died, I had to drill out every single bolt. They all broke. I think one came out. So I had to get a new tank, which I pulled out of the parts car that you guys haven't exactly seen yet, but It had a mint tank in it that I had powder coated. It's sitting right there. And the fuel pump, everything came out beautifully, so I'm just gonna use that. All right, let's get this filler neck undone. The bolt looks pretty rotten. I don't know if that's gonna even come apart. I might have to cut it, order a new one, but we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, it's not coming apart. Well, maybe. Not happy about it, but it's coming apart. I have another one anyways. The one on the other car was still good. Okay, that's loose. There, that's undone. Now to just try and actually get them off. All right, we got them off. Shadows everywhere. The lighting in here is really bad. We got them off. Now we'll go back underneath, get those bolts all out, and we'll drop the tank. Undo, see if some of these will undo. Even on the parts car, they didn't undo very well. Same with this car. Gotta keep my mouth closed. That one came undone. Alright, those ones came out. Now to try and get these side ones out. Well, I got the bracket out, but the bolt snapped. Both sides. That side too. So if I want to put that back in, I'm gonna have to figure something out. The jack's set up underneath the tank. Let's see if I can't get up in here. I hope these don't break. It's hurting my arm. I hope it's actually coming out. Oh yeah, it is. Well, that took way longer than it needed to. On to bolt number 2. It's getting really tight already. I'm pretty sure the bolt just broke. Or the mount. Yep. Damn. Now, how are we gonna get this out? So, I have to cut it. I don't want to. I hope it doesn't spark or anything. Hope the tool doesn't spark. It'll blow my garage up. Oh well. There goes nothing. So far so good. Almost. Bringing it down little by little. What's going on? Does it need to go back up? Nope. Oh, it's because I think this strap's in the way. I'm gonna get fuel everywhere. Oh. Good. Let's bring this down. Yeah. Definitely gonna get fuel everywhere. Well, maybe not. We're doing good. Okay, slow down, chill out. Let's move this back a little bit. Let's get this strap out of the way. Okay, keep coming. Ooh, almost out. Okay, we got the vent off. Let's pull this out the rest of the way. Okay. It's all the way down. Just gotta get it around the strap. You know what? I might actually just pull this strap off. Since it's all the way down. Okay, strap's out. Let's pull the tank. Wasn't that hard? Yeah, okay. Well, since that was such a pain to get out, I think I'm gonna end this episode here. Hit that like button if you liked what you saw. There's gonna be a lot more and it's gonna get better. I'm trying. I'm all kind of still really new to all this, but hit that subscribe button to keep updated on the car. I'm hoping to have it done for this summer. I want to do some track days with it, with the guys from work. I want to do shows, meets. We're gonna have car shows at my work that I want to take it to. So hit that subscribe button to keep updated on everything that's going on. Hit that like button, it really helps out the videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.